are today going to study about the polarization of light. The idea of polarization. In this week, we are going to study the nature of light, whether the light is longitudinal or light is transverse. This is mechanical experiment which helps us to study the nature of light. In this mechanical experiment, the string AB is fixed between 2 points A and B, where A is free end of the string and B end is fixed. The string is passed through two slits S1 and S2, and then it fixed to the end B. In this experiment, we are also seeing that S1 slit S1 is slit S1, S2 is slit. It is clearly observed that slit S1 and slit S2, they are parallel to each other. And if the string, a small jerk is given to the string AB, perpendicular to the length of the string, then a wave forms in the string. This wave is nothing but a transverse wave. This wave produced by giving the jerk to the string, it is a transverse wave. As slit S1 and slit S2 is parallel to each other, then this wave can easily pass through both the slits and finally it reach to point B. In this case, the amplitude of this string is unaffected. Means what? The wave easily passes through this string, this slit S1 and S2. Similarly, if in the same experiment, if this slit S2 make perpendicular to slit S1, means if the angle between slit S1 and slit S2 is made 90 degrees or perpendicular to each other, then what happened? We can see made this slit S2 perpendicular to slit S1. Then what happened? Give the small jerk similarly in the previous case. Then what happened? This wave produces and then passes through slit S1. But the slit S2 restricts the vibration of this wave, and there will be no amplitude at the end B. This shows that the wave is transverse in nature. Similarly, if a longitudinal wave is produced, at the end A, then you can easily observe that there is no change in amplitude. There is no change in amplitude when longitudinal wave is produced. This shows that the nature of wave, whatever may be the angle of slit S2 or whatever may be the angle between slit S1 and S2, there is no change in the amplitude. Means what? The amplitude become unaffected. This shows the nature of wave, that is longitudinal. But our interest in the beat, that the nature of light. Here is, you are observing that slit S2 is restricting the vibration of light or vibration of this wave. This is called as polarization of light. Means what? The restriction of vibration of the wave in a single plane is called as polarization. The vibration in single plane. Vibration in a single plane called as polarization of light. Getting out? I repeat. A is a string, free end of string, and B is fixed. A is passed through slit S1 and S2. Given small jerk, if both slits S1 and S2 are parallel to each other, there will be no change in amplitude. Means what? The amplitude is an unaffected amplitude. But if the angle between S1 and S2 is of 90 degree or S2 is perpendicular to S1, then there is no amplitude or zero amplitude. This is only due to the nature of wave. As the wave is transverse, then this case happens. Zero amplitude. If the wave is a longitudinal wave, then its compressions and rarefactions enters through both slits S1 and S2 irrespective of their angle or their position, and the amplitude is always maximum in this case. This shows that the light is the nature of light. Nature of light is not like this. Light is always a transverse wave, which is going to prove, which is we are going to prove in the next experiment.